Hi Achievers! Welcome to A Plus Russian. Today we are learning how to say they want a pie. Be sure to watch the video to the end for a bonus tip. Ready? Please consider subscribing and let's go! Today we continue learning the names of foods and phrases that go with them. When we need to say they want something, in Russian we say они хотят, where они is they and хотят is want. Keep in mind that хотят is the form of the verb want that goes together with они. In English we simply say I want or you want, where want stays the same. But in Russian we change the form of the verb. Let's have a look at the spelling of the word они. The first sound is O. It's unstressed and is pronounced as A. Then goes N. And then we have E. And all together it's они, which is Russian for they. Try saying it with me. Они. Now let's have a look at the word хотят, which is Russian for want. The first sound is H, then goes O, and O is unstressed and is pronounced as A. Then goes T, then we have Ya, and then we have T. And all together it's хотят. So far, we learned how to say they want in Russian, where they is они and want is хотят. Do you remember how to say they? Они. Excellent. What about want? Хотят. Well done. And the last new word for today is пирог. 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 Пирог is a pie in Russian. Пирог. Let's have a look at the spelling of the word пирог. The first sound is P, then goes I, then we have R, O, and G at the end. G at the end of the word is pronounced as K. And all together we have пирог, with the stress on the last syllable. Try saying it with me. Пирог. Well done. Now let's see how well you remember everything we learned today and play a memory game. Each word is repeated twice. I'm going to read the words and then cover them up. Try to remember where the words are and say them out loud with me. Are you ready, Achievers? Let's go! Они is they. Хотят is want. Пирог is pie. Они. Хотят. Пирог. Они. Do you know where the other они is? Excellent. Хотят. Do you remember where the other хотят is? Well done. Пирог. Well done, Achievers. Now you know how to say they want a pie. They is они, want is хотят, and pie is пирог. And all together it's они хотят пирог. And here is your bonus tip. When we bake a pie or пирог, it's big enough for 3 or more people. If we bake it small, we call it a baby pie or пирожок, and then we make a basket full of them. If you enjoyed our lesson, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications so that you never miss a new lesson. I'll see you in another video about food or anything else you like on A Plus Russian.